Well, welcome everyone to the NDI booth, the third day of IBC. Today we're going to present our company, Everet Imaging. We have a pod here at the NDI booth where we are presenting our cameras and solutions. And today we're going to talk more about our company, the solutions that we have, about NDI. We will mention some case studies, and we also do a demo of our tracking camera. So first of all, Everet Imaging. Everet Imaging is an Amsterdam-based company that supplies PTZ cameras, box cameras, all with NDI. So we have different versions, cameras of NDI as well. We have the full NDI, the full bandwidth, the NDI HX2 and the NDI HX3. And we started the company in 2019. And we had a philosophy like, okay, we want to have a camera that looks good, that we put Holland on the map, and also that has the NDI integrated in it. Because when we got in touch with NDI, we saw that it was very simple to use. You only use one cable, and you have the audio, video, and control, and it makes it easy for system integrators to install the camera. So that's why we chose to have most of our cameras with the NDI protocol. And up to this day, we still believe that NDI is the future for our cameras and for the industry. Besides that, we are a customer-driven company, so we try to put not only move the boxes, sell the cameras, but we also advise on projects, and if other system integrators need some advice, we can help them with that as well. So in that way, we try to create more value, and we also do the support in a way that the customers keep coming back to us, as we can see in our business. So that's what we stand for as a company. And we have our office in Amsterdam, and we also have a warehouse in Ede where we ship everything from. So if something is broken, we can repair it and send it back to the customer at ease. If we look at what sets us apart as from the product point of view, first of all, we have Umbrella chipsets. These are chipsets that are made in the US, and they are focusing on video processing only. So not computing chipset, but only video processing. And that's why we can do HDMI, SDI, and all the regular outputs like RTMP, RTSP, and also the NDI all at the same time, together with AI tracking, which we will demonstrate at the end of this presentation. So that sets us apart from other brands and other products in the market as well. And besides that, we also often get the feedback that our products are very user-friendly. So you can easily change the IP address. You don't have to do any hassle or go first to the IP range of the camera, etc. You could just easily change the IP address in the menu, and that makes it easy also for integration. And as we also already said, we put Holland on the map. We are AU based, so we can also ship as made in Holland or made in AU. So that's also very good for some projects that we see in our market. Next on are the products that we have in our portfolio. First of all, to start with, we have the EV Pro 2, the 4K 60 camera, which is widely used also in education, but also in broadcasting fields because of the 4K 60. And if you do ISO recording, for example, in vMix, then afterwards you can do some post-editing or for post-production, but the live stream will be in 1080p 60. So that's why this camera is very good in the broadcasting field or in studios. The other product that we have is the controller, this AVK B200N. It's also enabled with NDI, so you can just press the search button, and then it will see all the NDI feeds in the controller, and then you can add them to control the cameras. So this one is also very great if you want to have more parameters like the exposure, the white balance. If you want to have more control over your camera and the settings. The other one that we have is the AVK B Mini. We also have it at our pod. It's a small but mighty mini controller actually. And why is this? Because it supports the NDI protocol, of course, so you can also search for the NDI cameras in your network, and you can also turn on and turn off the tracking camera via the controller. And you can add up to 200 cameras via the Visco over IP network, and also do presets. So it gives you a lot of opportunity, a little bit less than the previous one, but it's still a good controller to go for if you just want to easily manage the PTZ cameras in your network. The first series of the cameras are the EVX series. You can see them here on the pod, the EVX 220 with 20 times optical zoom, and the one in the back, the EVX 230 with 30 times optical zoom, and are enabled with NDI-HX3 and certified by the NDI team, of course. Here we have the high bandwidth NDI versions with 10 times optical zoom and 10 and 20 times optical zoom. So if you want to have uncompressed video quality, you can go for this one because it's uncompressed with the full NDI bandwidth. Make sure you have a 10 gigabyte if you have a lot of cameras in the network switch, and you're ready to go and get your uncompressed video signal 1080p 60 over NDI. These are the EVP series with NDI-HX2 enabled on it, and these are widely used in the educational market, so at universities. For example, at the Wageningen University in the Netherlands, they have like 30 cameras and rooms equipped with these cameras. Because it's scalable, in the price point is very scalable, and you still have the benefit of the NDI-HX2 to get easily the video feed into the system and do lecture capture and lecture recording. And here we have our box cameras, also enabled with both are enabled with NDI-HX2. First of all, the 4K one, and which make this camera very distinguished from other cameras is the 85-degree wide angle. So this camera is widely used also in online betting in casinos, and also as an overview camera to get a full overview of a production or from a set where you are using PTZ cameras maybe on the sides. The other camera is the EVZ 220 and the EVZ 230. These are also small box cameras, POV cameras with a fixed lens, but also you can zoom in with 20 times optical zoom or 30 times optical zoom. And these are a nice use case to mention is where they are using this is for LED headlights, LED headlights. So they put the camera on the LED headlights, and then through the NDI stream, they can see where the camera is moving. And because of the low latency actually for the NDI-HX2 that's enabled, they can easily monitor the headlights and use it in that way. So that's a very nice use case that we recently realized at the customer of ours. So these were our product lines, and a new product that we have coming up. I will ask my colleague Michael to bring this camera for me. This is our EVR 230 with 30 times optical zoom, and it's an outdoor camera, IP66 rated. It has 2 SIM cards in it with 4G, and it's now enabled with SRT and all the other protocols that are widely used. And it's becoming NDI enabled as well in the near future. And this is a camera for outdoor use, so for pro sports or on marine or wherever you need an outdoor camera, and you still want to have the possibility to get NDI in your production system. And it has a battery that can last for 8 hours, 8 hours long. So you can just plug it and put it somewhere in the field, and you will get the NDI feed in it, or even SRT if you're doing over public network. And with the NDI bridge, that's also something that we are coming up with in our cameras. So you can connect two LAN networks to each other, and then you can go publicly with the NDI network if you have the NDI bridge. So that was our presentation, and now I will just show you a little bit demo of our tracking camera, which is standing over there. Just bear with me for a second so I can enable it. Yes, now you can see that the camera has locked me, and now it's following me very smoothly, as you can see on the screen. And we're using here the NDI Studio monitor, and we have AVX 230 over there, and NDI-HX3 is enabled. And you can see that the latency is not that much as well. And you see that the tracking is working smoothly. This is all enabled in our cameras. You don't have to pay an extra license for it. It's just in the firmware. So, and we keep improving the firmware as well, so that the camera keeps moving smoothly in this way. So I hope it was engaging for you. If you want to have more information, just visit our pod at the NDI booth at Hall 11C39, and we are gladly to give you more information about our company and our products. Thank you.